Hey, how y'all doing? Sir Warrior Loft here. Just getting up close and personal with my birdies. It's Martinez. She's inside the coop as always. Me, I'm just sitting in the screen box with them. Up close and personal. This video is going out to Joel and Ryan. Everybody who got a pigeon. This is called the blessing of God giving you a bird in your life. Going out to Louie, the rest of the crew. Corrado, Tubi. If I didn't name you, I got love and respect for the hobby. This is also going out to you. Come on, birds. Come on. Come on, birdies. One of the youngsters, he kind of dusty. Excuse him. You just gotta look at some of these colors, man. You know, this is going out to everybody in the pigeon world. Get that back there. I like him. He's so cute. His silver is just unbelievable. Some of these guys here, boy, black Del bars are nice. Especially these opals, they're very nice. You know? Y'all say good afternoon to everybody, because that's what I'm going to post this. Good afternoon, everybody. Sir Warrior Loft. Look at my baby right there, chocolate opal. Check her, she is nice. Oh, yeah. There go her daddy back there, mommy. Yeah, that's them silver gabbies. Oh yeah. Isabella's with white bars down there. There she goes. Beautiful birdie. Hey, beautiful birdie. I got a lot of those coming up, y'all. Oh yeah. Peace and love, and God bless. Coming from Sir Warrior Loft. Up close and personal.